Welcome to what is the fourth episode in our Chuck Close drawing series. In this episode, we're going to be focusing on getting the drawing started, but we're also going to be going through how we will be assessing you for this drawing and what your homework will entail for this term. So I hope that you enjoy working in class today. Get those pencils sharpened and let's get drawing. To start our drawing, we're going to have to reference it. We're going to do so numerically by line. On your grid layer, using a pen on your sketchbook and the color red, number your blocks sequentially from the top left-hand corner numerically. So in other words, the first block will be 1, the second block will be 2, third block will be 3, the fourth block will be 4. Apply the same numbers in the same location on the grid on your drawing paper. We are now ready to start our drawing. Using Sketchbook, zoom into the first block that you will be drawing today. On my drawing, blocks 1 and 2 are white, so I'm going to be zooming into block 3. We're going to be practicing some observational drawing, which means draw exactly what you see in the block and not what you think you see. Remember, we're not drawing a face, we are merely drawing the patterns and values in the block. A good idea while you're drawing is to place a piece of scrap paper underneath your hand or smudge paper to avoid your drawing from smudging while you're busy drawing. So I've just completed the first row of my drawing and it really doesn't look like anything much except a bunch of patterns and values, or we can say a bunch of patterns and shading. It's not going to look like anything for quite a while. Remember, we are only drawing one block at a time. Zoom in on your Chromebook and only draw that one block. A good rule of thumb is to draw what you see and not what you think you see. So you aren't really drawing a portrait or a face. You're merely drawing one block at a time. The assessment criteria for this project has been placed onto the stream on Google Classroom. I would encourage you to go through to the stream and read the rubric that we are going to be using to assess you with this term. Please manage your time wisely in class as we will be drawing one row per week. If you don't finish the row in class, please take your drawing home each week for homework. Well, I certainly hope that you were able to start your drawing in class today. If you didn't finish the first row, take it home for homework. The way that we're going to be managing our time throughout this project grade 7s is we're going to finish a row per week. Some rows will obviously be easier and some rows might be more challenging. It equates to one row per week during this term. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this episode. I'm going to be seeing you in episode 5.